You click login. Looks simple, right? But behind that one click, an entire backend workflow starts. Let's follow the request. Your browser creates an HTTP request and sends it securely over HTTPS. We are calling the login endpoint with user's credential. That request travels from the client to the application server. In a typical backend application, it first reaches a controller. The controller receives the HTTP request and maps it to your application code. From there, it moves into the business logic. The service validates the request, finds the user, and handles the authentication. To get that data, the service uses a data access layer to talk to the database. The database runs the query, finds the user, and returns the record. The server verifies the credential against the stored password hash. If they match, authentication succeeds. The server may also issue a token, a JSON web token. Now the journey reverses. The backend builds an HTTP response and sends it back to the client. A successful 200 OK. The browser receives it and the user is finally logged in. One click, one HTTP request, an entire backend flow. That's what happens when you call a REST API.